show you how we're taking care of the garden, making it look nice and neat. And half of this week it was raining, so today it's finally a sunny day, and trying to make the most out of it. So now let's trim the grass. Get to with the trimmer, or it will be too dangerous to do so because it will just gonna spread all over the path. I'm using the scissors, but each time I'm doing it, I'm planning actually thinking about to plant most of it here so I don't have to trim it. But yeah. One of my favorite plants, I guess, because it's evergreen, it has beautiful blossom, but when they stop blossoming, it doesn't look as nice. So I prefer to get rid of the flowers, just because it doesn't make such a big mess, but also it looks so lovely without it. With grass, it means it's been a productive week, I guess. Even though it was raining a lot, now it's sunny and lovely weather, and I think it's gonna be even better next week. It's becoming warmer and warmer, so it means more time in the garden. Yay! And when it's been raining, I actually had a very productive day with the books. I've been researching how to make a proper tea house, because next week I'm meeting our architect, and I just wanted to go deep into the roots of how people are building tea houses, and to research all the history of it, all the rules, because my tea house is not going to be like a traditional tea house, but I want to keep all the traditional important parts of the tea house and meaning of the tea house, purposes of it. Yeah, so to know that, how to build a proper tea house, not just the name in the tea house, I need to know everything, so I've done that. And still reading a lot each evening and morning, and yeah, hope next week we're gonna have a productive meeting. It's still a long way till we're gonna be starting building it, because we need to finalize all the details and then probably apply for a planning permission, and then we're gonna start building. So I'm gonna be updating you with that as well. Thank you so much again for watching my videos. It's inspiring me to do more gardening, to show you more updates, and hope one day when I will finish this garden and I will take its shape, I will maybe open this garden for one day, a few days a year, so other people can come and visit it and enjoy it. And yeah, for now I'm gonna enjoy it with you guys while you're watching my videos. Thank you and have a great week and see you